They told you the pain would break you. But what if it was building you? Pain is real, struggles are real. They are the beginning of your transformation. You can let pain define you, or you can use it to refine you. You are not what happened to you. You are what you choose to become after it. I never lose. I either win or learn. Nelson Mandela. The days you thought would break you are the ones that built your resilience. The nights you cried alone made you stronger than anyone knows. The wound is the place where the light enters you, Rumi. So how do you actually turn pain into power? Face it, don't run. The more you avoid pain, the more it controls you. Sit with it, understand it. Listen to the signal. Pain is not just emotion, it's information. It's telling you something needs to change. Learn, research, upgrade. Use pain as a trigger to gain knowledge. Learn new skills, look for solutions. Don't just suffer. Study the reason behind it. Help others who are struggling. Once you've found your strength, become the strength for someone else. Your story can be someone else's survival guide. Your pain wasn't a punishment, it was a path to power, to purpose, to greatness. Turn your pain into fuel and rise.